If I look at this guy, I want to measure the angle and find its supplement. So once again, I'm going to measure this angle. I'm going to use my protractor here. So let me grab my protractor. And I'm going to scoot it over here. And again, I line that up at 0, 0. I take a look at this guy, and it looks like, once again, this is that 44-degree angle. So this is a 44-degree angle this time. So the measurement of this angle is 44 degrees. But once again, just with like with our complementary angles, if these add up to 180, I can easily work backwards doing a little bit of subtraction. If I think about the previous example, the 43 and the 137, those were supplementary angles. So if I do 180 minus the 43, it gives me the 137-degree angle. Okay? If I do 180 minus the 137, it gives me the 43-degree angle from our previous example. Okay? And so this angle will work the same way. If I want to know, hey, what's going to get me to 180, I simply subtract to say, hey, 180 minus 44. And when I do 180 minus 44, that gives me a 136. So the supplement here is a 136-degree angle. And I can easily check that right here. I check it by saying, hey, do these add up to 180? And of course, they do. Okay? So again, I can always work backwards by subtracting to get the supplement. I subtract from 180. If I look at these guys, it says, what is the supplement of a 54-degree angle? So if I want the supplement, I need the thing that gets me from 54 to 180. And again, the easy way to do that is to work backwards. Normally, I would add the two angles together to get to 180. To work backwards, I do 180 minus that guy to figure out what angle I'm missing. Okay? And so I just take 180 minus the 54 degrees. And when I subtract, that gives me 126 degrees. So that's the supplement. Once again, I can easily check it. 54 degrees plus the 126 degrees does indeed equal 180 degrees. And so I can see clearly that they are definitely supplements. So the supplementary angle, the supplement of 54 degrees is 126 degrees. It's a 126-degree angle. Likewise, what is the supplement of a 162-degree angle? So once again, if I wanted to find this, I need to say, hey, 162 plus what will equal 180? So to work backwards here, normally I add those up to get 180. To work backwards, I do 180 minus the 162. So 180 minus the 162. And when I do that, looks like that gives me an 18-degree angle. So that's the supplement, but once again, I can check it. 162 degrees plus 18 degrees does indeed add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So the supplement of a 162-degree angle is an 18-degree angle. It's the thing that gets me from the 162 all the way up to the 180. Okay? If I look at these, once again, these are supplementary angles, and they're supplementary angles this time because they create a 180-degree angles. Okay, remember, a straight angle, a line, is a 180-degree angle. So together, these lines create a 180-degree angle. That makes them supplementary. All right, and so when I look at this, it's the same thing as before. I have the 125. I need to know, hey, what will get me all the way to the 180? All right, so right now I'm looking at this. I'm saying, hey, this is 125. I need to go how much further to get to 180? All right, and so it's asking the same thing. What's the supplement of a 125-degree angle? So to find that, I take the 180 minus the 125. And when I do 180 minus the 125, that gives me a 55-degree angle. And once again, I can easily check that up here, 55 degrees. Well, let's check. If those are added together, does it give me 180 degrees? Does it give me that straight angle? And the answer is yes. That adds up to 180 degrees, so the measure of angle 1 has got to be 55 degrees. Okay? If I look at this one, same kind of thing. They create a straight angle. They create a 180-degree angle, which means that these are supplements of one another. And if they're supplements, they should add up to 180 degrees. So the question is now, what is the supplement of a 12-degree angle? So to find that, I do 180 minus the 12. And that gives me a 168. Oh, if I could write. Let me try again. So 108 168 degrees. And once again, if I were to fill that in up here, well, just check it. 168 plus 12, does that equal 180 like it's supposed to? Does that make these supplementary? And the answer is yes. So the measure of angle 1 is 168 degrees. Okay.